Hello, dealer.
Ni bukan nak cakap aku menyesal, tapi aku baru dapat tahu.
Let's see. Alright. Alamak. Why is my face not visible? Okay, hold on, yeah. Oh, hi, Doggy78SG. Hope you guys are ready for today's live. Okay, let me bring this down a bit. And then let me expand this way. Nice. And then I can actually do this. Oh, what's happening? Okay, so those who are joining in, the pin is 6549103. Hello, Zealous Dingo. You are studying logistics, you still want to join the live. Yeah, maybe today you might want to give it a miss. Okay, let's see if I can do something about... Oops. What's happening? Okay, maybe I can move this to the back. Oh my goodness. Oh, nice, Doggy78SG. Thank you for joining us. Guys, help me to like and share the live, please. Help me to like and share the live. Thank you. Today the topic is still O-level maths, I think. Yeah, we're still on the topic of O-level maths. So we have questions from past year exam papers. Okay, great. Today we seem to have more participants in a shorter amount of time. So hello to all those who have joined in. Diplomat Luck, Illustrious Hornbill, and what's this guy's name? Space Pigeon. Yes, Doggy78SG, I remember you. You're in P4 and you have a brother who's in Sec 2. And you are from Punggol Primary. Thank you for joining in. Hopefully we get a few more participants and then we can start. Oh no, you know, it's difficult to forget about my viewers when I only have like 10 or 11 viewers every live stream. Okay, now it's up to 13 today. Yeah, so usually those who join in, and if they are a bit more, what level is this? No, we're not playing Blue Card. We are playing Kahoot. Dila, you remember me? Yeah, of course. How can I forget? You know, you have followed me throughout all the live streams that I'm doing. So thank you. Yeah, I really appreciate the effort. Thank you. Okay, we've got 5 participants at this point. Fantastic. Shaura 27, we're playing Kahoot today. We're not playing Blue Card because I'm not the guy who comes up with the Kahoot or the Blue Card anyway. So yeah, I get this from someone and I just play it. All the best for your exams if you have exams coming up, Dila. Yeah, I mean it's great that you're studying. Are you Coach Nawas? Yes, I am. Firda Shakil 2407. Who are you, Firda? So I told my P6 students about the live stream that's happening later. So for those of you all who are in here and your primary school students, you want to stick around because at 8:30 Coach Mo is going to come in. And oh, you're one of MasterMaths students. Okay, how old are you? So for those who are in primary school, you will probably want to stick around because at 8:30 p.m. we have Coach Mo coming in, and he'll be doing P6 PSLE Maths. Yeah, so it's good if you all can stick around. Okay, 13 years old is nice. I mean, some of the questions here might be questions that you will face as a Sec 1 student. Okay, so the live stream later is 8:30 to 9:30. Today's live stream, the secondary school live stream is 7:30 to 8:30. So yeah, Doggy78SG, you'll be spending a lot of time on TikTok, I guess, if you decide to stay on for the next live stream. Guys, I only have 5 participants in my Kahoot. I would like to start with at least 10 participants if possible. Where are all my O-level students? So I told my O-level students, hey, you all have to join lah. You all not joining my TikTok live. And then some of them said, oh, they don't have TikTok accounts, which is ridiculous. I don't believe that. How can you be a teenager and not have TikTok? That's like saying you're a teenager and you don't have a handphone. Welcome to the live stream, Ka Eng Chua. Please join my Kahoot. So for those of you all who are new, if you get the top prize, you get a $10 popular voucher. So Santosh, have they mailed the popular voucher to you? Have they mailed the popular voucher to you? Hi Blake Lin, thank you for joining. Guys, help me to like and share the live, please. Okay, hello Shahidin. They've not sent you the $10 popular voucher. Alamak. That's a bit sad. You think you got scammed? No lah, just give them a bit of time lah. Never mind, I will inform whoever needs to be informed. Okay? Don't worry, you're not being scammed. Thank you for liking the live. Those of you all who have not liked the live, please help me to like. Hi, user Biols, thank you for joining. Guys, help me to like and share the stream, please. I will use the money to get plush. What's a plush? Like a soft toy. Oh my god, hey, I went from 5 participants to 4. What's happening here? Should I just start the Kahoot? Okay, we'll start in 3 minutes. Hello, Smooth Dugong. So we've got Smooth Dugong, we've got Purple Platypus, we've got Illustrious Hornbill, we've got Yellow Leopard, and we've got Diplomat Lark. Lucky Clover, hello, thank you for joining in the live stream. We've got a few more participants, fantastic. We've got 7 participants now. Guys, help me to like and share lah. Bring an older friend or someone who can give you the answers. Those who are just joining in, help me to like and share and help me to join the Kahoot. Okay, I'm sure all of you are here to win the $10 popular voucher. So please join and please try to answer the questions as best as you can. We'll share the solutions at the end of the lesson. Who's Zealous Dingo? Thank you for all the thumbs up and the hand claps and all that. Fantastic, thank you. Okay, we've got 7 participants. It's 7:37. So 7:37, 7:38 now. Maybe I'll wait for 2 more minutes. Oh man, I'm down to 6 participants now. What's happening, man? Come on, guys. We will start the Kahoot. We will start the Kahoot in 2 minutes time. 2 minutes. Okay, 7:40. 7:40. I'll start the Kahoot. Okay. So if you're just joining and you are wondering what's going on, this is the MasterMaths live stream, secondary school live stream. All right. So if you're in and you got nothing to do for the next 1 hour, why don't join the Kahoot? Okay, so the pin is 6549103, 6549103. Come on guys, help me out. So I tikam IP4, yes, you can tikam. Alamak, let me share this live with other friends. What's happening here? Okay, I've got 15 viewers now. Okay, go has joined. Hey, what happened? Alamak. No, don't refresh. I'm not refreshing. Please do not refresh. I'm not refreshing. Okay. I think we'll start lah. I think we shall start. We got 7 participants. I think we can start. Are you all ready? Okay, I hope you're all ready, all the 7 of y'all. Everyone here just do anyhow, then he put in his effort, and then other people will not get it. Okay, we've got 8 participants. Fantastic. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey, why did it become a full screen again? Alamak, like this, will you all see the questions? Okay, question 9. I think this is a continuation from last week. Okay, I hope you all can see. Alamak, cannot see. Shucks. Okay. This is better. Okay, cannot put full screen. If put full screen, you all cannot see. Okay, so solve the equation x over 5 minus 2x minus 3 over 4 equals to negative 3. Is the answer negative 12.5? Is the answer 12.5? Is the answer negative 7.5? Or is the answer 7.5? Santosh, you should be able to do this. If you cannot do this, you cannot come to my class tomorrow. Okay, you got 144 seconds. Is this only for O levels? Well, if you are in Sec 3 or Sec 2, then these kind of questions might still be familiar to you. Huda, the code is 6549103. 6549103. I'm one of Coach Mustafa's students. Okay, fantastic, Firda. Thank you for joining our live stream. Maybe you can join the Kahoot if you have not already joined the Kahoot. Okay, thank you Doggy78SG for following us on MasterMaths today. Okay. Hi Amara, hello. Hi Gudetama 120345. What? Okay. Guys, come on guys. What's the answer? Is it minus 12.5? Is it 12.5? Is it minus 7.5? Is it 7.5? We've got 6 answers already. I think there are about 8 participants in the Kahoot. So usually, okay, to solve this kind of questions, don't tell the answers to everybody lah. Loku good boy. Don't spoil market, okay. Anyway, I think most people have already submitted the answers. Okay, anyway, what was I saying? So to answer these kind of questions, thank you, Anastasia. Yes, ask your daughter to join. But some of the questions might be beyond the level of Sec 2. But it's okay lah, she can try. Like these kind of questions, I'm sure in Sec 2 she can do already. Okay, so the 5 and the 4, what must you do to the 5 and the 4? Okay, let's ask Santosh. Santosh, what do you do to the 5 and the 4 here? Cross. Where got cross? You're supposed to make them the same. You're not supposed to cross multiply. You're supposed to make 5 and 4 become 20. 5 and 4 are supposed to become 20. Not cross multiply lah. This one is called, you're supposed to change the denominators to a common multiple. So the x you must times 4, and then the 2x minus 3 you must times 5. Then you combine. After you have combined them into a single fraction, Santosh, don't spoil market lah. Don't ask him for the answers. People put in effort to answer all this. Okay, anyway, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. And we're done with question number 9. Okay, let's move on. So in first place, Zealous Dingo, is that you, Santosh? With 1,994 points. Following closely, we have Yellow Leopard with 1,548 points. And in third place, Kind-Hearted Angelfish with 1,436. Doggy78SG, that's you, Zealous Dingo? Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, next question. Question 10A. So this is a 2-part question, guys. This is a 2-part question. Okay, this one, express x squared plus 9x minus 4 in the form x plus q bracket square plus b. This is completing the square, guys. Completing the square. Okay. This is completing the square from Sec 3. So if you're in Sec 3, if you're from Sec 3, you would know how to do this, because this would have been covered in your school already. Iris says, I feel like it's blue. I don't know. Actually, one time you see, you know already lah. Because there's MCQ, you see. Give hint, I Sec 1. Okay. Okay, the hint I can give for completing the square, the first sign that you see in front of the 9x there, right? It's related to the sign inside the bracket. I want to join MasterMaths to escape poly. The answer is purple. Where got purple? There's only red, blue, yellow, and dirty yellow and green. Red ah, you think it's red ah? Okay lah, if you think it's red, I won't say anything ah. Okay, we've got 7 answers already. We're down to our last 30 seconds. Hi Jasma, welcome to the live. My name is Coach Nawas. This is our Friday night O-level MasterMaths live stream. Okay. Are you from SG? No, I'm from America. Even though I'm from America, I come to Singapore and I teach maths at MasterMaths Tampines and MasterMaths Farrer Park. And yeah, and I don't know, simple government hasn't given me a citizenship yet. I've been teaching maths for so long. Okay guys, so the answer is x plus 4.5 bracket square minus 24.25. Okay, wah, Doggy78SG, you very heng lah you. You very heng. You every time get the answer correct, even though you only P4. Awesome lah, awesome. Okay guys, next question. What time is it? 7:46. Okay, we've got another 45 minutes. Why can't I go next? Oh, please, laptop, don't die on me. Okay, great. So, in first place, with a score of 2,987, we have Zealous Dingo. And in second place, we have Kind-Hearted Angelfish, with a score of 2,361. And in third place, we have Yellow Leopard, with 2,246. So top three, Zealous Dingo, Kind-Hearted Angelfish, and Yellow Leopard. Well done, well done. Us also cannot. Us what? I'm from SG lah. I'm from Singapore lah. My face like Singaporean what? Cannot see my face Singaporean meh? Huh? I Singapore lah. Okay. So continuation of the question just now, guys. After you have completed the square, they say to write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the graph of y equals to x squared plus 9x minus 4. Hey, very tiring no, to teach with this phony American accent. I'm already so tired from today. I got like one P6 class just now. And today the weather was so hot during... no, it wasn't hot. Today it was raining. See, I'm getting confused. Why is it when it was raining also I get tired? Yeah, so I need to rest. Tomorrow I got a full day also. I got to get up and teach at Farrer Park at 9. Which place you teach at? I teach at Tampines and at Farrer Park. Okay, so the answer is minus 4.5. That's your x coordinate. And minus 24.25, which is the y coordinate. Tikam correct again. Hey, you... Wow. I think you're going to get the $10 popular voucher today lah. Okay, so still in first place with a score of 3,980. No, this is not P6. Is Zealous Dingo. Second place, we have Kind-Hearted Angelfish. And in third place, we have Yellow Leopard. Hey, Dila, shouldn't you be studying? You're leaving comments and you're asking me to do the accent and all that. But am I distracting you no, from the studying? You're multitasking, huh? Okay. Fantastic, fantastic. That always works. Okay, these are the first 4 terms of a sequence, 11, 20, 29, 38. Find an expression in terms of n. Oh my goodness, this is so easy, guys. For the nth term of the sequence. So, this is something that is taught in Sec 1. So, Iris, who's from Sec 1, I'm sure you can do this. Okay, so what must you do to get the answer? What must you do? I don't know how to do. Santosh says he doesn't know how to do. Okay, so only 3 people got it correct, unfortunately. You think yellow. Okay, what you think is correct lah. What you think is correct. Doggy78SG, you didn't get it correct again. So your luck has run out. So are you still in first place? Yes, you are still in first place. Although now we have a new number 2. He goes by the name of Yellow Leopard. And in third place, we have Purple Platypus, who has had the highest answer streak of 3. Why so many people getting correct? Santosh, that's life, bro. That's life. In life, everybody is doing things. You know, they're getting things correct. They're making good money. And if you slack and play games all day, what's going to happen? You're going to end up the loser. Okay, guys. Next question. Double the points. Question 11b. That means it's connected from the sequence question just now. So the answer just now was 2 plus n9. Now, one term in the sequence is 335. Find the value of m. Oh my god, this is so easy, guys. This is so easy. Come on. Even the sec 1s can do this. What must you do with the 2 plus n9 and the 335? Come on, guys. Come on. Doggy 78SG, don't tikam already. Don't tikam. Come on, you can do this. There's something connecting the 2 plus n9 and the 335. You can see, no? Is it too small? It's a bit smaller. If I look like this, if I take off my glasses and look at it like this, then I can see. Oh my god! Over already. The answer is 37, and 4 people got it correct. I think green. Hey, you very funny, lah you. Okay. Oh no, Zealous Dingo. He has lost his top spot. He is now in third place. In first place, we have Yellow Leopard with 4,681 points. Purple Platypus has got 4,476 points. And in third place, we have Zealous Dingo with 3,980 points. Hey, I'm not racist. I'm doing everybody's accent, okay? We mark it by 90, guys. You have 3,953 points. And now we shall go on to the next question. Double the points. A British. Man, I can't do a British accent. That's not my accent. Okay. Slender. What? Okay. Hey, don't report me to like TikTok or whatever. Why weren't you in the office? I was never in the office. I'm a freelancer. I'm a freelancer. Cher cannot see. I can see fine. I can see. Even though I got glasses, I can see. When you say Cher, you cannot see. Then you do this. You take off your glasses. Then you look at it like this. Oh, alamak, a bit small lah. Okay, let me zoom in, guys. Let me zoom in. Hey, you all should be joining in on the TikTok lah. Not joining in on the TikTok. What am I saying? Join in on the Kahoot. Zoom out. Why would I zoom out? No, don't let them see. Santosh, your idea of winning is trying to destroy the competition. You don't believe in winning fair and square. Oh, this one very easy. Hey, primary school also can solve this. Primary school also can solve this. Come on, primary 4. 78, Doggy SG. Where are you? You can definitely solve this. Doggy 78. Not 78, Doggy. Doggy 78. He used ChatGPT. So these 3 people, they share $285, and the ratio of the amount that Kim receives to the total amount that Pat and Zin receives is 3:2. So how? 5 minutes remaining for WhatsApp. What the heck? Okay, anyway. What's the Kahoot code? The Kahoot code is 6549103. Let me put it here lah. Let me put it in the comment. Game pin for Kahoot. Hey, join the Kahoot lah. Don't just look at the answers here. 6549103. Okay, never mind. Alamak, what happened? Okay, let me zoom out lah. Let me zoom out. Can I zoom out? Alamak, now I cannot zoom out. View, zoom out. Is it zooming in? Okay, so the choices are Kim 171, Pat 69, Zin 45, Kim 165, Pat 72, Zin 48, Kim 213, Pat 48, Zin 24, and finally Kim 171, Pat 70, and Zin 46. Tomorrow I'm not coming. What happened, Santosh? Michael? What Michael? Oh, you watching the Michael Jackson movie? Wah! Bojo sia, somebody watch Michael Jackson movie. Bojo sia, never invite me sia. Wah. Just kidding. Okay, so the answer is Kim 171, Pat 69, and Zin 45. 3 people got that correct. Okay, so let's see who's in first place now. In first place, we have Purple Platypus with 6,384. Who are you, Purple Platypus? Who is Purple Platypus? Can reveal yourself, please. I joined, then I left. Okay, never mind, it's okay. So as long as you all are having fun. Here, who's that? Ayo, why your name got 3 Z's and an A? Okay, y equals to 16 minus 4x squared. This one very easy, guys. 16 minus 4x squared. Find y when x equals to negative 2. Negative 2. Is it 0? Is it 1? I got to adjust this thing a bit. Is it 0? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Adjust. You got 30 more seconds. Zero % battery says it's 0. What do the rest think? You ask ChatGPT. Ayo. Oh, all 7 people got it correct. Just as I said, it's quite easy. It's quite easy. I hope you all were not using ChatGPT to solve lah. Okay. Time now 7:56. Okay, we've got time. Okay, no worries. Now, Purple Platypus is way ahead in the lead. 7,268 points. That's not you, Santosh. Are you Purple Platypus? Okay, next question, guys. Next question. Okay, so rearrange the formula to make x the subject. So is it square root 16 minus y over 4? Is it plus minus square root 16 minus y over 4? Is it 16 minus y over 4? Or is it 2 minus square root y? Which one is it? Red, blue, yellow, or green? What is the answer? You have 90 more seconds. Do you conduct this game again? I started at 7:30 lah, so I'm not going to conduct the game again. But if you stick around, 0% battery, if you stick around, at 8:30 there'll be another coach coming in. Try to do scammer voice. What's a scammer voice like? Okay, I don't know how to do scammer voice. I'm not a scammer lah, guys. Anyway, 0% battery, as I was saying, at 8:30 we have another TikTok live, which is PSLE Maths. So that will be a different coach lah. Coach Mo will be coming in. So you can join the next one happening at 8:30. Okay, I hope you have followed our TikTok page. I hope you all of you all here, I hope you all go and follow our TikTok page. You can join, confirm win. Yeah, go ahead. No, nobody's stopping you. It's a free country. Yeah, so those who are in, if you can please join MasterMaths today, as in follow MasterMaths today, not join MasterMaths. Follow MasterMaths today. Okay, fantastic. We've got 4 people getting this correct and 3 people getting it wrong. So let's see who's at the top right now after that. Okay, so Purple Platypus, you have 9,006 points. Fantastic. Remarkable Nightingale, 5,732 points. Diplomat Luck, 5,562 points. You not so smart. Nobody is... Dude, come on, man. Don't play yourself down. Guys, the important thing to understand is that you have to work hard. To be smart, sometimes you got to work hard. Like you got to have the discipline, then you can become smart. Okay, nobody is like born smart lah. I got shot in the bullet. Are you okay, Santosh? Oh, because you say this guy betrayed you. Yeah, you shouldn't have been looking at his answers. The whole idea of doing this is so that you can figure it out on your own. Okay, guys, water tank is 60% full. Water tank 60% full, 16% of the water in the tank is used. There are now 378 liters of water in the tank. Oh my god, this is so easy, man. This is so easy. This is like a primary school question, but they're asking it for the O levels. Hi, Muhammad Irfan. Welcome to our live. Please like and share the live, and please join the Kahoot. Our game pin again, for those who just joined, our game pin is 6549103. 6549103. Saya hanya minion. Hello, welcome. Welcome. Maybe I'll do a Jamaican accent next. A water tank, man, is 60% full. And 16% of the water in the tank is used. And there are now 378 liters of water in the tank. So calculate the capacity of the tank when it is full. Alright? So, can you guys do that? Okay, never mind. No response. I take it that the accent doesn't work. I should just stick to my Indian and American and Chinese accent. Thank you, Dila. You're being too kind. If I don't make it as a maths tutor, I try Turkish accent. Turkish accent. So, what students do you teach? Like, I teach the. So for this year, so every year they give me like different classes lah. So this year I'm teaching the P6s, but it's called Master Focus lah. So it's a small group, and then I do Sec 1s, Sec 3s, and Sec 4s. So Sec 4s I teach the O level students, the NA and the NT students, NA and NT students. Okay, we have 6 answers so far. 60 seconds left. Turkish accent. How do I do a Turkish accent? Trying to think of like Turkish people and how they sound like. Yes, brother, would you like a kebab? I don't know. That's the only time I bump into Turkish people. That's the only time I bump into Turkish people when you know I'm walking down Arab Street or something, and then like there's some guy who's trying to get me to eat Turkish food. I love Turkish food, by the way. I love Turkish food, but I don't know a word of Turkish. I don't know any Turkish words, but you know, no matter how full I am, I can always like wolf down another kebab or like a kofta, or you know, like kunafa is Turkish, I think. I mean, I'm not a big dessert guy. Sorry, eating ice cream. Come your parents' restaurant. Oh yeah, I think you mentioned before that your parents have a restaurant. Where is it again? Oh man, South Beach. Okay. South Beach is the one near Suntec Is it South Beach is the one near Suntec? But that one is like all offices and all that, right? Like, you know, I don't know, can I enter? Public can go in Okay. Dila, I'm gonna come down to your parents' place. Okay, sure. It's not in the offices. Fantastic. I mean, I've walked past that area before. Below JW Marriott. Okay. Alright. So I take it it's the only Turkish restaurant there. You quit. Santosh, don't quit. Santosh. Okay, in first place we have Purple Platypus, the best. I mean, if there are more than one Turkish places, if there's more than one Turkish restaurant at South Beach, then I might not know which one is your parents' one. Hey, your parents own Sofra? No, I'm way too far from position 1. Okay. I used to eat at Sofra, man. That was fantastic. It used to be in the area, but yeah, now that building is been torn down. Okay, no worries. I will check out that Turkish restaurant which is at South Beach. Okay, rest assured. You know, make me some falafels and some, you know, yeah, whatever, man. I'm a big Turkish food guy. Actually, I like all kinds of food lah. I like all kinds of food. That's why I'm starting to struggle with my weight actually. Behnaz invests $850 at a rate of R% per year. Okay, no worries. I mean, I'll just order whatever's good there. Okay, I'll just order whatever's good there. Shawarma, yes. Actually, what other food can you order if you're at a Turkish restaurant besides the shawarma or the kebab or the hummus? Do you all have hummus on the menu? Oh, fish, fish. Okay. But you know, if I'm going to a Turkish restaurant, right, I want to have like the meat, the red meat. You know what I mean? The thing that makes your blood just whoa. Man, just talking about this, I'm making me hungry. Man. Okay. Luckily, just now I had a proper dinner lah. Yeah, so I'm at Tampines, so sometimes we go down to... So just below me is Afghanistan restaurant. And then a short walk away is Saffron's. So yeah, I bought something for myself just now. But the prices these days are insane. The prices of food these days, it's just mad, I tell you. It's just mad. Hey Santosh, can you do this not? Calculate the value of R. This is something that we've done already in class. Just go Dubai. You cannot? Why you cannot? Oh, okay. Anyway, Firda, I've been thinking of going to Dubai actually, but I never bring calculator. Well, okay. Dubai is a pretty expensive place, isn't it? Okay, tax free lah. Of course, it's tax free. If you want to live there, I think a lot of people are motivated to live in Dubai because of the fact that you don't have to pay that much in terms of taxes. You like saffron biryani? Hey, you and me both, brother. You and me both. I tell you guys, when it comes to food, right, I really, even though I mean, I'm not the richest guy in the room, but when it comes to food, right, I will just spend. World War III is there. Hey, Santosh, it's okay lah. That one is what you read in the news only. Anyway, Trump has ended the war. Didn't you read? He saved us. Okay. Question 15, the answer was 2.33. This was a question about compound interest. Okay, and with that, we have, well, Purple Platypus is still in number 1. Is still in first place. Still first place with 10,932 points. Well done to Purple Platypus. Do we have any more questions after this? Yes, we have a few more questions. The petrol price is still crazy. Yeah, actually petrol is expensive wherever you go. Unfortunately lah. I mean in Singapore it's ultra expensive. But actually, you know, petrol prices have gone up more than your incomes, unfortunately. So because you see when petrol prices go up, when all prices go up, and then everything else also increases in price, right? What to do? That's the way the world is. So your parents are those of y'all who don't have to pay those of y'all who don't have to pay PUB bill, don't have to pay your water bill and your, not petrol. Okay. Those of y'all who don't have to pay for your lights and your aircon and your Wi-Fi, consider yourself very lucky. Because trust me, man, it's a pain when you have to pay all these bills that keep going up and up and up. Alright, so what to do? Maybe, you know, I tell you what you should do though. You should like run away to like a place where there's a lot of land, and then you buy yourself land, and then you start to live off the ground, off the earth, you know what I mean? Like you rear chickens and you rear sheep and all these kind of things, and then you have eggs and milk and meat, and then you grow vegetables. And then like for your lighting and for your aircon and all that, you can get like solar panels, you know, build your own house. Just get away from the city. Just get away from the city. That's what you all should do, man. That's what you all should do. You all should buy farmland and just live on the farm. And never have to depend on the big companies. Okay. I think this is the last question. 16A part 2. So, oh no, it's not the last question, sorry, my bad. I quit, I can't win anyway. Okay, fine. I mean, I can't blame you. Guys, so what is A union B intersect? Sorry, A union B prime. What am I saying? It's not intersect. A union B bracket prime. So A union B is So the difference between union and intersect is union is or, intersect is and. Okay, union is or. So A or B. So it should be a lot. And then the prime of that. Singapore square. Okay. So that's S, I. So that's all the letters lah. All the letters, and then what's the prime of that? Oh wow. I think the answer is red. I've revealed the answer. Do you know Michael Jackson? Who doesn't know Michael Jackson? So the answer is red. Is red. Because once you have all the letters, and then once you say like prime of those letters, that means you're taking the complement of that. So the complement of all letters is no letters. You don't know, okay, never mind, it's okay. This is a Sec 4 question anyway. You all will learn this in Sec 4. How is this fair? Life isn't fair, Santosh. I've been telling you, life isn't fair. If life was fair, do you think I'll be here doing TikTok live? If life was fair, I'll be at home spending my father's money. And my father will be like Jeff Bezos or something. He can give me like, here son, have $20 million. So instead, I'm here, I'm stuck in an office by myself, doing the TikTok live, and having to deal with people like you. So life isn't fair. But it's okay, it's alright. Life doesn't have to be fair. Life doesn't have to be fair. Because it's more interesting this way. If I was born the son of a billionaire, I think my life would be very boring. Because every day you'll just be eating like the finest food available. And like women will just run towards you. There's no challenge. What's the challenge in that? You'll find it to be boring. And then you'll be like driving a Lamborghini one day and a Ferrari the next day. And like, you'll just be living in a mansion. But everything is like given to you, handed to you on a silver platter. No, I mean even rich people. I'm doing accounting now, I cannot focus. Sorry. You should switch off the... Okay, never mind. We're gonna end in about 10 minutes time. I need Shakir. I can't help you there. I can't help you with accounting. It's green. Okay, so is it green? Use set notation to describe the shaded region. Okay guys, so the shaded region here, P and Q. Don't leave lah, Santosh. Later I go through the solution, you won't be able to learn anything. The whole idea of sticking through this thing is to go through the solutions, isn't it? Okay, so that's the answer. The answer is P intersect Q and then prime of that. So we'll show you all how we get the solutions and all, okay? Okay, so those who think they've won, I think the winner this time around is Purple Platypus. I don't know the union. Okay lah, fine lah. So as an M squared student, you'll gain access to the following 90 minutes of the weekly class discussing commonly tested maths and science concepts. So anytime you need you need answers, you can ask for support via the M squared learning app. We have class recordings which you can use for your unlimited revisions. We have this extra weekly booster class for P5 and P6. And extra webinars for N and O level. So a lot of things that you're getting when you join us at MasterMaths. So if you really can't decide, after this is Coach Mustafa. No, it's Coach Mo. M-O. I think his name is also Irfan, but he goes by Coach Mo. Yeah, so it's not Coach Mustafa. But he's going through P6 stuff, Firda. So if you're in P6 and you want to stick around, that'll be great. Okay, so with that, let's show you all the podium. So if you're Purple Platypus, please get ready to screenshot the screen. Screenshot the screen. Okay, in first place with a score of 13,773, we have Purple Platypus. Well done. Congratulations to Purple Platypus. Good try, Yellow Leopard. 8,067 points. And Remarkable Nightingale with 7,773 points. So please screenshot your position on the podium if you're in the first place. If you're in the first place, please screenshot your position on the podium, and I'll give you some instructions on what to do next. Oops, what's happening here? Okay, let's close this. Okay, so if you are the Kahoot winner, please scan the QR code. Please scan the QR code, because with your screenshot and the form that you'll fill up at the end of this QR code, you can then send us your address, send us your full name, and with that we will send you the $10 popular voucher. Who was Purple Platypus, by the way? Can I get $5 voucher? I got second. Unfortunately, we don't have that. Okay, fantastic. So have you done the screenshotting? I can't pronounce your name. What's it? ZZZA. Okay, so well done to you. I hope you've managed to screenshot yourself on the podium. Have you done that? Yes. Santosh, can you stop irritating the you know what out of me? Okay, great. So scan that QR code, and then once you're in the QR code, once you're in the form, let me know so I can bring this down. It may take a while for the $10 popular voucher to reach you. It's not a scam. It's not a scam. We will give you the $10 popular voucher, but just be patient. Be patient. Okay. Okay. So with that, let's go through the solutions. Okay. Of course, some people don't want to stick around for the solutions. That's fine. Let me bring out the solutions for you guys. Here we go. Okay, I hope everybody can see the solutions. Alright, here we go. So I've got about 10 minutes left. So let me quickly go through the solutions. So in solving the equation x over 5 minus 2x minus 3 over 4 equals to negative 3, as I've mentioned to one of the participants earlier, you're supposed to change the denominators to a common denominator. Okay, so you can see here that the 5 and the 4 has been changed to a 20. Okay, so whatever you do in the denominator, you have to also change in the numerator. Okay, bye Santosh, bye-bye. Take care, see you tomorrow. So the x over 5 will become 4x over 20. The 2x minus 3 over 4 will become 5 bracket 2x minus 3 over 20. So you combine the two, and then you bring the 20 over to the right hand side, you multiply both sides with 20, and then eventually you'll get x equals to 12.5. So this is a 3-mark question. If you're doing your O levels and you're wondering, oh, how many marks is this? This was featured in the 2020 O level paper 1, and it is a 3-mark question. It is a 3-mark question. All right. Now for 10A, this is completing the square. So for those of you all who are familiar with completing the square, you would know that this is how it's done. This is how it's done. So we have that 9 over there next to the x. So that 9 needs to be divided by 2, and then you have to square it. So the ones in red are the ones we add to the expression. Okay, so to complete the square, we add the 9 over 2 bracket square. But because we cannot just happily add the 9 over 2 bracket square, we have to also subtract minus 9 over, we have to subtract 9 over 2 bracket square. Okay, so you add and then you subtract, because the entire value of the expression has to remain unchanged. Has to remain unchanged. So with that, you will get x plus 4.5 bracket square. You can write it as a fraction, you can write it as a decimal, doesn't matter. Minus 24.25. Okay, minus 24.25. Now, write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the graph. So once you have put it into completing the square format, okay, so once I have it in this completed square format, I can simply pluck out the numbers from what I see there to form the minimum point or the maximum point, okay, depending on whether your quadratic is an upward parabola or downward parabola. All right, whether it's a smile or a frown, basically. So this is pretty straightforward. Okay, 10 part B. Okay, I gotta speed up a bit. So 11A. Now for 11A, you have to know how to find the zero term. So the first term is 11. The zero term will be 11 minus 9, which is 2. So that's why you see a 2 over there. You see 9n plus 2. The 2 over there is your what you call your zero term. Alright, your zero term. Now, the common difference here is 9. Because you go from 11 to 20, 20 to 29, you are adding 9. And the n there is because, I mean, it's just part of the formula. So you have 9n plus 2. So this one, if you have not memorized the formula, which was taught in Sec 1, in some schools they teach it at Sec 1, then it's going to be a bit difficult for you. But this is an important reminder that even though you are in Sec 4, you are doing your O-levels, you can actually be tested on questions from Sec 1, from Sec 2, things like that. Now, one term in the sequence is 335. Find the value of n for this term. So you have to take 9n plus 2 equals to 335. And from there, you can solve for n. And your n should also be an integer. I mean, this is something that I think if you are somewhat familiar with this topic, you would know that your n cannot be a fraction. Your n cannot be a decimal. It has to be an integer. And it has to be a positive integer. Alright? So, in this case, the n is 37. Moving on to question number 12. So, question number 12 is a question about ratio. Alright? So, you can see that since Kim and Pat and Sin, they have 5 units altogether. Okay? So, 3:2 is 5 units altogether. Now, that 5 units is $285, which means that 2 units is $114. Excuse me. Okay, so 2 units, $114. That's the amount that Pat and Sin receive. Now, Pat receives $24 more than Zin. Zin or Sin. I mean, I don't know how to pronounce his name, honestly. X-I-N. So, because Pat receives $24 more than Zin, you can say that Zin's amount is X and Pat's amount is 24 plus X. Right? So, Zin will get X. Pat will get 24 plus X or X plus 24. So when you add the two of them together, you get 2x plus 24, and that 2x plus 24 is equals to 114, which means that your x is 45. Okay, so Pat gets 69 because he's x plus 24, so 45 plus 24, that's 69, and Zin will be x, which is 45. Okay, of course in primary school, usually you will solve this by using the bar model, right? Those of you who are from primary school, maybe you would have solved this using your bar model. If at O-level you want to use bar model, also can. But you should be able to use algebra lah. You should be able to use algebra. Excuse me. I should have gotten some plain water with me here. Alamak, forgot. Okay, time now is 8:23. I got to speed things up. So this one, simply a case of substituting in the x equals to -2. So you have 16 minus 4x squared. You substitute in the -2, you will get y equals to 0. And then part B is just rearranging the formula so that you get x equals to plus minus. Don't forget the plus minus. Square root 16 minus y over 4. Or if you wanted to square root the 4, you can. So it will be square root 16 minus y over 2. This one number 14. Alamak, this one quite self-explanatory lah. A water tank is 60% full. 16% of the water in the tank is used. That means 84% of water is left lah. So your 84% of your 60% tank is 63 out of 125. So your tank is 125 units in total. 63 units is 378 liters. So 125 units is 750 liters. Alright? Now, question number 15. This one is compound interest. So this person invested $850, and after 12 years, the value of the investment became 1120. So the R in this case is 2.33. So we use the compound interest formula here. We use the compound interest formula, and we can get our value for R. Last question for today, guys. Last question for today. 16A and 16B. So 16A, you have your universal set, which is made up of all those letters. Your set A is Singapore. Your set B is square. Now, if you are going with A intersect B, that means they appear in A and B. Appear in A and B, that's the letters S, A, R, and E. Now, if you are looking for A union B, that means it's all the letters, right? A union B is all the letters in the universal set. So the prime of that will be your null set. Okay, the prime of that will be the null set. So in this case, how do we get P intersect Q and then prime of that? Wow, this one I got to spend a bit more time to teach. I don't think I have the time now. Anyway, it's 8:25 already. So thank you to everybody who joined in. One last thing I want to mention to all of you. One last thing for those of you who are still here. Guys, happening these June holidays, we have crash course. So yours truly, Coach Nawas, will be teaching the Sec 2s. So if you're in Sec 2 and you want to join our crash course, please do. Okay, so sign up now. Okay, so it's happening 8 to 11 of June 2026 from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. More details on mastermaths.com.sg. If you are an existing student, please use the promo code EARLY1. That's EARLY1. If you register 3 courses or more, you can get 5% off using the promo code M2Bundle. Can go to question 15. Okay, sure. Let me quickly go to question 15 for this person who was asking. But anyway, all these solutions will be shared on the Telegram in the Telegram channel. Okay? Question 15 can screenshot. Okay guys, so with that, I am going to end my live here. I'm going to go have myself a good rest. And tomorrow I can continue teaching at Farrer Park. So thank you so much for those of you all who joined me today. We will see you all next week, same time, same place. Bye-bye.